Welcome to my channel. My name is Norma with momisdesigns. In this channel, you're going to be learning how to make different DIYs that you can not only use them for your family and your friends, but you can also sell them. Let's not wait any longer and let's get to work. In this video, I'm going to show you a different way to make just a normal bracelet. And this video is part of the videos that I done before that talk about the easy party favors, like easy party favors that they don't only gonna have as decoration for a while and then throw them away, but actually something like this that they can wear. So these are very cute party favors. And what I usually do when the person doesn't want a specific one, which is most of the time, I get all the pearls that I haven't used in a while or that I have leftovers, and that's what I use them for. So here's one of them. And so when you make the stretchy bracelets, there are different thickness in the stretchy string. For example, this is really super thick, if you can see, and this is at 3 millimeter, and it's very strong, and it's thick. And then we have the 1 millimeter, which is like you can see it still has a little bit of thickness, but not super thick. And then you have this one. It's a point here. 0.49, and this one I usually use it when I work with Swarovski pearls or Swarovski crystals, because they have the hole is smaller. So you're gonna need the string, you're gonna need your pearls, you're gonna need some glue, and if you're gonna use it for party favors, you need baggies and the label that you're gonna put on the baggie. Here's other samples of bracelets. When you're doing a bracelet that has any kind of decoration that goes in the middle, you need to arrange your pearls and do it different. When you have let's say you're going to use this kind of pearl all through the whole bracelet, you just go ahead and start putting them in the string, and it doesn't matter. But when you want to do a decoration sort of like this or like this, you need to start from the middle. Okay, most of the bracelets, let me show you this one. There you go. Most of the bracelets are 7 inches, with the exception if it's for a little girl or if it's for someone who has this area thicker, then you will probably do it at a different size. But in general, 7 inches is the standard size. I have my bead here, the combinations that I want in the middle. So I'm going to be doing this in the middle, and then the rest of it, I'm going to be using these beads. These are 3 millimeters. So I'm going to be doing 6 of these, and then I'm going to put a spacer in one of these, and another spacer, and 6 more. So that's the combination, the repetition that I'm going to be using for my bracelet, besides this, which is going to be the middle. So let's go ahead and start arranging. So what I'm going to do, because I want to work on both sides, I'm going to cut my string. When you do a 7-inch bracelet, you cut it about between 10 and 11. And I had it worked out so that I cut it at 11 inches. Again, if you're doing only one kind and one size of beads, you can just keep it in the roll. And once you reach 7, you cut 10 inches and just makes it easier. But I like complicated. So let me put the ones that go in the middle, let me put them through the cord, and I will see you back. Okay, here's my combination. This is what's going to go in the middle. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to do 2 sets of each on each side, and then we're going to measure it again. Okay, so here it is, 6 of the little beads and then 1 combination spacer, pearl spacer. These are flat and they're 8 millimeters. So we go ahead and go and measure it, and it measures just a little over 7. And we want it to be just even on each side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this set off. So we're going to take it off, put it back. And then here's the fun part. So here it is. And so that we have 6 1 combination, 6 1 combination, and 6 1 combination. It measures 7 right there, just right there. So now you're going to get your string, and you're going to do 1 knot like that. So you're going to put your finger in the middle, and you're going to do another knot. But before you tie it, you're going to put your finger again through the middle and go over again. So it's 2 knots in 1. Okay? And then you're going to pull. You're going to go pull here, and then you go into the other side and pull a little, and pull again. And there you have your nice bracelet. So here's a combination, and here's everything else. So now you're going to get a little piece of glue, just a little tiny bit, right in where you made the knots. You're going to put it right in there, just a little bit, and you're going to let it dry. Okay? Once it gets dry, you're going to go ahead and pull your strings, and you're going to cut it. And that should be all. That should be it. Then once everything is dry, you're going to get your little baggies, whatever baggie you choose to use. So there's your baggie. You're going to go ahead and close it out, and you can either put the label here, like baby shower or wedding or whatever it may be, or you can put it here. And this is what you're going to give to people as a party favors. They love these kind of party favors. So that's it, you guys. Make sure that you go ahead and check the other videos that it shows you how to make the cross. I also have videos that show you how to make the small candles, how to make the lip balm, and how to make the oil, the roll-on oil. That's all for me. Thank you so much. May the Lord bless you today and every day. And until next time, thank you.